Worried about losing your website data? In this video, I'll show you how to create a manual backup in CloudRaptor quickly and safely. CloudRaptor makes it easy to create manual backups anytime using the backup and restore feature. You can choose exactly what you want to include, your database, your files, or both. Let's walk through the steps. First, go to your application from the dashboard, then open the Backup and Restore tab. This will open the Create Manual Backup window. Before creating the backup, CloudRaptor shows your available storage. You'll see how much free space you have and how much space the backup will require. Next, choose what to include in your backup. Select Database to back up all your MariaDB tables and data. This is recommended for most cases. Select Files to include your application content like uploads, themes, plugins, and custom code. Then, choose where to store your backup. You can save it locally or use a configured remote destination if available. Once you click Create Backup, the process starts immediately in the background. The best part? You can continue working while the backup runs, no interruptions. When it's done, your backup will appear in the Backup History section. It will include everything you selected and be safely stored in your chosen location. Creating regular backups is one of the smartest ways to protect your website. If you ever get stuck, you can always contact CloudRaptor support for help.